Just because you graduated from college, it does not mean it's time to become stupid. It does not mean that you have to stop learning new things and you stop educating yourself. As a society हम education को just a limited aspect की तरह देखते हैं, and because of that for society education is all about school, college, marks, degree, career, job, etc. And as long as it is considered that way, we are never going to improve our life, because education एक process नहीं है. It is more than that. It is a continuous process. It is a long term journey which helps us to build ourselves, to make us a better human being, and it is very essential for our personal, social, and intellectual growth. And having an idea of never stop educating yourself should be your fundamental rule of life, because it prepares us to face the challenges of the world and tackle all the problems with innovative solutions. And where we actually lack is हम पढ़ाई को, हम एजुकेशन का एज अ बर्डन देखते हैं, एज अ बोझ देखते हैं. एंड आज भी लोग एजुकेशन और स्टडिंग के बीच में फर्क नहीं कर पाते. एंड आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम फोकस ऑन क्रैमिंग एंड गेटिंग गुड ग्रेड्स इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज. तो हमारा ये माइंडसेट बन जाता है बचपन से कि ओके, एक रात पहले पढ़ लिए, पास हो गए, गुड मार्क्स ले लिए, ओके डिग्री ले ली, नाउ वी डोंट हैव टू स्टडी एनी मोर, किताबों से पीछा छूटा, नाउ वी डोंट हैव टू ओपन दैट बुक्स, भाड़ में जाए, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय आवर लाइफ. विद दैट माइंडसेट, हमारा वो माइंडसेट बना हुआ है बचपन से, तो हम एजुकेशन को उतना ही सोचते हैं. बट एजुकेशन इज मोर देन दैट. एंड विद थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ कलेक्टिंग डिग्रीज, पीपल आर गोइंग नो वेयर इन लाइफ. एंड आई थिंक पीपल शुड नो दैट दे हैव टू इवॉल्व by learning new things and different perspectives instead of collecting degrees. And when they stop learning new things, they stuck in life, they go stagnant, they go in a rut, and there is no progress at all. And it should not be limited to the academic degrees or textbooks. It should be a habit that should be cultivated throughout the life. And education can be different for different people. And ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बड़ी बड़ी चीजें पढ़नी है और पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट पढ़ना in order to be called educated, या फिर ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको क्वांटम फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री और मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ना है in order to be called educated. Or in order to feel educated, you can start with any small things, from basic things to bigger things. You can learn anything that interests you, that you want to learn. And you can even start with learning chopsticks, or how to edit a video, or how to shoot a video, or any language or anything you want. And trust me when I say this, it will going to help you in future. You don't even know in what ways. So keep educating yourself and don't listen to anyone. And I can proudly say that I just have a bachelor's degree, but I have educated myself in so many different things, and I have built myself, I have worked on myself. And today I'm sitting and talking confidently and representing myself and my mindset that I built through reading books and articulating my thoughts so fluently. And I worked on my communication skills. So this is all education. And the video you are watching right now, I edited this video, and this is how education works. And you never know how something you are learning will help you in future in any way. And everything is dependent on education. And the more you educate yourself, the more you understand how to actually learn things quickly and how you can actually adapt changes easily. And it will help you in everything, and how you are going to take care of yourself, your parents, your family, your finances, your life, your social life, your personal life, how you're going to end up as, who you're going to end up with, and how your children are going to end up as. It is all dependent on your education. एंड आपको लाइफ में ऐसे लोग भी मिलेंगे जो आपको कहेंगे कि क्यों करनी है पढ़ाई, या फिर क्या रखा है पढ़ाई में, या फिर कोई नहीं पूछता पढ़ाई को क्या उखाड़ लिया है, क्या उखाड़ लोगे, या फिर आई एम अर्निंग दिस और दैट विदाउट इवन स्टडिंग, आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग बट आई एम बेटर देन यू, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बट रिमेंबर, an educated person knows the value of education, and an educated person recognizes an educated person through his personality or way of talking, and the way you handle situations and people, that also comes from education. So no matter what people say, never stop educating yourself. And I have seen people jo earning good money in their life or has everything in their life, but the moment they open their mouth, their personality, their words, everything about them stinks, because they try to demean others, or they try to brag about their money or everything. And an educated person will never do that because they stay humble. So the goal should be to learn as many things as possible and open the gate of knowledge from everywhere, because nobody is going to ask you what brand are you wearing or how much your shoes or bag cost. But the moment you open your mouth and speak something, it will tell everyone in the room how educated and how much power your mind and your words hold. So never stop educating yourself. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I will meet you guys in the next video. And tell me in the comment section how was the video, and I will meet you guys in the next video.